Come test drive the 2023 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 2.7-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: black door handles, perimeter alarm, Inside you'll find backup camera, rear view camera, lane departure warning, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, compass. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.